my channel, guys. So today we are going to see about the Google Keen app. So Google has secretly launched a AI-based Keen app. So it's like a pay interest app. So it is a app which will help you gather your type of interest in one single app or a website. The website is staykeen.com. So it's more of a website which is plugged in into an app. You can see here Keen is a mobile app, but it's more of a website opening inside our app. When you open this app, it just redirects you to a website, which can be opened in Google Chrome or any other browser. So you can see the star rating is pretty less. You can go through the comments. It's more of a like functionality wise, it's okay, but people find it very slow. The design doesn't sound good or looks good. But yeah, we'll review it today. So here is the homepage of the app. So you just need a Google account or a Gmail account to sign in. Here you can see some basic things like what you have in the app. So it's a AI-based Keen app. So it's trying to rival Pinterest or be like Pinterest. It's early to say, I mean, how good the app would be, but there are a lot of complaints right now, but we'll review the site in details, how it is. So obviously you can collaborate with your friends, check your interests. I mean, you can have interests like uh, music or gaming or food, and you can just have it in one page. Now I'm logging in to my account, and you can see I've logged in into my account with my personal email ID, and I can have some pre-decided things like what Google has choose for me, which are important, maybe important to the world. You can see The Rock talking about the depression and a lot of things like what can people do for racism or barbecue for beginners and so on. So you can create your own keen also. Now here I'm creating something called as gaming, which I love to do. I have a gaming channel, but there's nothing on it, obviously. I have to create some videos on that. Now I can have some web searches saved. I mean, anything to my interests around web searches that will be on google.com. Maybe like upcoming games or some gaming reviews, they'll go here. So this is how it will work, and I have to create a section. It's basically if I love gaming, I'll get everything about gaming in that. Anything about news, updates, new releases, or any type of videos too. Now see, I have something called gaming created. Now I'm keen to see this. It's an app about keening. So the AI engine will check all the things that I like about gaming and it will keep adding it here. And slowly, when it gets all the data, it will start deciding on how I'm doing things or tracking things or around gaming, and it will add it to the list in the gaming section. Now you can see here, this is the keen I've created, uh, which is manual. I have three tabs in here. The gems, explore, and searches. So gems is something which I can manually tag. If I find some article or a post which looks relevant to me, I'll just put a click on the gem icon which is there and it will jump down the gem. Explore is something it will give me related things with related to if you can see here it relates to gaming, TechCrunch, Xboxes and all. The searches would have things like what I've searched or what's my interest in based on my search engine. Now when you click back or something, it acts like a web page and more of an app, which is more like doesn't feel good, but it is how it is. Now in explore or searches, you can add, invite, collaborate, share this item in anywhere like Gmail, Facebook. This is the home page, right, of gaming, and it's private, but I can still collaborate with people. So it's a good option. I can collaborate with things. Like let's say I like Battlefield 5 and I can invite all the players to it having same interest like me, right? And I can share it. I can add comments, I can edit it so that everyone who is having keen on that can have the same interest. One good thing about adding gems is you don't need to come across gems or you know go to searches or explore and just jump across gems or come across gems. You can search for gems, right? I mean, today's trending thing is COVID-19 and the world has to be updated or wants to be updated or are interested to know the research or updates going around COVID-19. So I can just search for a gem called as COVID-19 and I can add it to my personal gems. You can see the gem icon on the right side. I can just click it and add it to my gems list. Now this is a pretty cool feature to have because it is something trending and it will be good to add. Now here's one of the things you can see inside gaming. I have added a gem called as COVID-19. Now, of course, I mean gaming and COVID-19 don't go hand in hand. This is just an example, but you can do anything you want by adding gems inside your personal keen. So, like I said, this is a developing app. It has some lags. The design is a bit sloppy. It doesn't look good or doesn't have a good feel. It is slow, but it may well develop into a nice finished website in 6 months. So, thank you guys for watching this channel. This is about it. Please let me know what you think we should add in next time.